Hi everyone, it's Raj. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to unbox and review some baby rompers and baby boy dresses from Amazon India brand Jam and Honey. So, let's begin. Starting with a pack of 3 rompers suitable for babies up to 3 months. They are cute, colorful and soft. These rompers have snap buttons on the bottom part. Next is a pack of 5 rompers for 3 to 6 month old babies. They are also colorful and soft. These are a pack of 5 rompers for 6 to 9 month old babies. Your baby will definitely look adorable in these. Again, a pack of 5 rompers for 9 to 12 month old babies. For 12 to 18 months, I started purchasing tees and leggings instead of rompers for my baby. They are also available as a set of overalls. These tees and leggings are also available for 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12 month babies. Here is a pack of 3 full sleeve tees. Along with that, I bought a pack of 3 leggings. These leggings can be worn comfortably even with a diaper on. Again, a pack of 5 t-shirts and 5 leggings for 18 to 24 month old babies. These dresses are said to be made of 100% cotton and feels comfortable and breathable. The stitching is neat and the quality is good. All these size fit my baby except the 18 to 24 months, which seemed a little bit big for the age. These dresses from Jam and Honey are affordable and worth the money if you buy it during wardrobe sale days. They are easy to wash and dry. It will take at least half a dozen washes to stop color bleeding and lint in some. Also, we can't customize a pack of these dresses. These dresses are perfect for any occasion. Take a look at some of the adorable snaps of my baby in these dresses. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing review of Jam and Honey baby dresses. You can find all the product links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.